welcome back to the channel. And you might notice I'm in a different area. Here's the gravely motor. I just took off in the previous video and looked into it a little bit. This whole jug here just pops off. So first thing we gotta do is get the exhaust off. So alright, well, I've got the exhaust off, and now I'm gonna get these bolts off. There's 6 of them all around this. And this jug will just lift right off. Valves will be in there, so I'll be back when that is off. So it's gonna take me a minute. So, be back. Alright, well, I've got the jug to the motor off. And as you can see, I did take the piston off. And not bad on the inside. Broke the rings when I took them off, so needed new rings. But I'd say that's a wrap for today's video. And I'll see you again on the next one on this area. So like, subscribe, and comment. Do your thing, and see you on the next one.